Welcome to our video on how to enhance and extend your first active report, where you will learn how to set default values for filters, specify sorting, and use layout tables. Open the sample report named 5 My First Active Report. Click Team Content, Samples, Get Started, then beside 5 My First Active Report, click the More icon and select Edit Report. Give the drop-down filter a default value so it isn't empty when you first run the report. Open the Navigate panel, click the Active Report Variables tab, open V Education Level, and click Set Default Values. In the resulting dialog, select High School, click the right-facing arrow to add it to the selected values list, and click OK. To sort the values in the drop-down alphabetically, select the drop-down list, open the Properties, and click the ellipsis button next to Sorting. In the Sorting dialog, double-click Education Level to add it to the sort list, and click OK. You can use layout tables to build a more effective report header. Open the Toolbox panel and drag a table from the pinned section to the left of the text item Education Level. Leave the default values in the Insert Table dialog and click OK. Select the right table cell and click Right in the context menu. From the toolbox, drag a table into the right table cell. Uncheck Maximize Width in the Insert Table dialog and click OK. Drag the Education Level text item into the first table cell of the new table. Drag the Data drop-down list into the second table cell of the new table. Copy the Education Level text item by clicking to select it, then pressing Ctrl-C on your keyboard. Select the first table cell and paste the text item with Ctrl-V. Double-click it to edit the text. And click OK. Select the American Time Use text item, copy it with Ctrl-C, and paste it into the same table cell with Ctrl-V. Double-click the second copy, edit the text, and click OK. Select the Hours per Week text item, click Font in the context menu, select 12 point, and click OK. Select the Education Level text item, click Font in the context menu, select 10 point, and click OK. To test the modified report, click Run Options and select Run Active Report. The active report will open in a new browser tab. Congratulations! You have learned how to enhance an active report. You can go back to the original browser tab and save the report into My Content and open it again later. Thank you for watching this video on how to enhance your first active report. Please comment on this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel to learn more about using IBM Cognos Analytics 11.